Yo, I got half a pound of catnip in the car. Guys, I might be going to jail. Fuck, the human's gonna be pissed.
Well, the human bailed me out, but not before they took my mugshot. Fucking bullshit, man. It was just catnip. Today is the court date, guys. Kind of nervous, but we got this. Hashtag beat the case.
Guys, this judge is a bitch. This might go really bad. Hashtag free Benny.
We fucking beat the case, guys! Let's go freedom, baby! The judge was such a bitch. I thought I was gonna jail. Where's my catnip? I need to relax. I fought the law and I won. 1-0, baby.